Congratulations! You've made it to level 2. I hope you're ready to transform your playing skills to a whole new level. Click the link in the description box to download our free, easy-read sheet music for this lesson. All of our music publications are always free, and we always offer instant downloads. And remember, we never ask for your email address or credit card information. Just click the link and download the music you want. It's that easy. Okay, here's today's lesson. All right, I'm Andrew and thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, click the link in the description box to download the free Easy Read sheet music to Stargazer. Each video lesson in Level 2 will include the digital sheet music to every new song. And remember, we never ask for your email address or your credit card number. So click the link and download the sheet music, hassle-free. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.